Friday, October 7th, 2016. It's actually 1:30 a.m. London time, so it's 7:30 p.m. New York time, and just an amazing move in the currencies, especially the British pound. We've dropped all the way, kind of a flash crash, all the way to 112 against the dollar. If you remember well, we closed last week at just around 130, and earlier today, yesterday on Thursday, we traded around 126.30, I think was the low. And now in Asia, the bottom has just fallen out of the pound. It has, of course, rebounded now. It's now at a 124 handle. But let's see what time it happened here. Just looking at the charts. Yeah, it happened just after midnight London time. It just crashed all the way to 112. Bloomberg is reporting that it crashed to 118.41, which is the lowest level since March 1985. So on my trading, on the system that I look at, IG Index, which is a spread betting and broking account, we got down to 112, a huge drop for a currency. And the reason why I'm updating you is because not just because I live in the UK and the pound is my currency that I use, but because I think it's a precursor to the US dollar and other currencies. If this is happening to the pound, there's something not right. I know there was the Brexit, but I think this is more than the Brexit, in my opinion. So just a bit of a warning. Right now, the pound is 124.46. That's down 167 pips, or 1.3%, which is huge in currencies. But we got down to 112. This is probably because it's more of a leverage system. So in the interbank market, it got down to 118 handle, which is still huge. That's like 8 big figures down. That's a bit like the move in the Swiss franc a few years ago when the Swiss National Bank lifted the peg against the euro. It's a huge move. Gold is actually doing okay. It's 12.56. It's up about $2 from the close on Thursday for me. I guess it's still Thursday in the US for a lot of the viewers. So gold is up. It's doing fairly well. It hasn't really moved lower. For the UK viewers, the price of gold in pounds is 1,009, which is fairly, it got down to around 989 on Thursday. So it's rebounded quite well, mainly because of the drop in the currency. Again, it proves that having gold and silver, physical gold and silver, is a very good protection against currency debasement, currency crisis. We've seen that for people in Russia when the ruble collapsed a year or two ago, the people of Venezuela, the people in Brazil over the years. Yes, of course, having dollars helps, but gold, you can take it anywhere and you can hold it in your hand. To have dollars in the UK, you have to open an account with probably Citibank, and you don't want that, I don't think, in my opinion. So yeah, this is huge here. Pound. Just wanted to report that a huge move in the British pound. So we hit the target I had from a few months ago. I said there was a flag forming. It did take longer for the consolidation of the flag, but we've hit the 120 target. The way it's trading, I think anything can happen now. This is pretty, yeah, things are happening. So not just for the UK viewers, but I think for the US viewers, they need to put, the moves in gold and silver in the last few days, put that to the side and just concentrate on having physical gold and silver. I think the dollar devaluation will come as well, and that can only happen versus the precious metals. So if you enjoy my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you'd like to donate to my channel, there's some links below in the description. Take care. Good night.